Hey guys, David here. Welcome to Digital Outlook, where you're gonna find the best community in all of crypto. In today's video, can XRP become the new Bitcoin? So guys, without further ado, why don't we get to it? So guys, one of the biggest feuds in this entire distributed ledger technology space, which is practically legendary, of course, is the rivalry between Bitcoin and XRP. And just today, an article has come out where Garlinghouse has literally said that XRP could become the next Bitcoin. Just take a look at this article right down here. Ripple CEO, the billion-dollar problem that will make XRP the next Bitcoin. Ripple's XRP token is believed to boast huge potential, but many have wondered how valuable the token can become. Ripple CEO Garlinghouse seems to have an answer, as he claims the token could become the next Bitcoin. A prominent figure in the XRP community, Jack the Rippler, shared a clip from an interview that Garlinghouse had with Bloomberg. In the interview, the CEO mentioned that the token could become the next Bitcoin if his company, using the XRP token, could solve a huge financial problem, especially a large scale running into the trillions of dollars. His statement likely stems from his company's vision to disrupt the global financial system and become a viable alternative to the traditional system, such as SWIFT payment system. If that is done, it is expected that the token's value could skyrocket, as the token's utility will be over the roof and its price will ultimately increase significantly. Garlinghouse mentioned that the XRP token has enjoyed outstanding success so far because people realize the potential that the token boasts and have the belief that the token could well become the next Bitcoin. The CEO's sentiments are echoed by pro-XRP Wall Street financial analyst Linda Jones, who suggested that the token could usurp Bitcoin to become the face of the crypto market, especially as institutional investors continue to take interest in the token. She further likened XRP to the Microsoft and Apple stock, stating that it could become the next big thing in the financial market. Indeed, XRP has stood out from the rest as Ripple uses the token to provide real-world applications, positioning it as the currency of the future. Ripple is aiming to solve the issue of cross-border payments, which has been a mainstay issue in the global financial landscape, especially among immigrants looking to send money back to their home country. And guys, did we not just see SBI Remit literally take on Ripple's on-demand liquidity and utilizing XRP to do it? And they're now calling that Ripple Payments, and they're going to be doing it in Indonesia, in Vietnam, and in the Philippines. And these are major hubs for a lot of folks who look to send money back home to their home country after they've gone afar to find work. It is absolutely an amazing amount. We're talking billions of dollars of volume per day. Now look down here. While the company's long-running legal battle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has undoubtedly hampered its growth in the U.S., Ripple, however, seems to be enjoying increased adoption elsewhere. One of the notable regions includes Asia, especially Japan, with a recent report stating that investors are looking to invest in the XRP token rather than the foremost cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and Ethereum. XRP's acceptance stems from the utility that Ripple and its RippleNet provide to banks in countries like China, South Korea, Vietnam, the Philippines, and Indonesia. These banks are able to utilize the XRP's base remittance service to process cross-border transactions in 40 currencies and more than 70 countries. Ripple and its services are bound to continue enjoying greater acceptance globally. The company's president, Monica Lang, recently stated that Judge Annalisa Torres' ruling has opened the door for the company to expand its business even more globally. Guys, this is absolutely amazing. Look at this right here. Something that is really big and needs to be pointed out is this. There is an incoming milestone, could be very bullish for XRP, and here's why. Listen to this right here. Since Judge Annalisa Torres' ruling back in July that the programmatic XRP sales do not qualify as securities, the token has been on an upward trajectory in terms of growth. This time around, the XRP Ledger is close to another enormous milestone, which could spell good news for the XRP price going forward. Accounts on the XRP Ledger near the 5 million mark. In an interesting turn of events, the number of accounts that are present on the XRP Ledger has been rising rapidly. This has seen the metric barrel towards the 5 million total accounts milestone, as it is currently sitting at an impressive 4.78 million accounts. According to data from XRP Ledger Services, the site's data also shows other impressive metrics about the blockchain, such as only 1,116 accounts on the ledger are carrying a zero balance. Guys, out of 5 million plus accounts, practically 5 million accounts, only 1,116 of those accounts are carrying a zero balance. This means that only 0.023% of the entire XRP holder base on the ledger is carrying a zero balance. Of the 100 billion total supply, 58.6% are currently sitting in holder accounts, with 41.3% still held in escrow. This amount held in escrow is released periodically and is designed that way to last until the total XRP supply is exhausted. Now, guys, every month we hear all the FUD surrounding, hey, when the escrow releases, because they release like 1 billion of a time. But if you only wait just a couple of days, what you see, guys, is literally, what, 800 to 900 billion going back in there, something like that. Or, yeah, it's like a ridiculous 8 to 900 million going back in when they release that 1 billion. It's truly amazing. And yet the FUD that comes out, oh, they're dumping on the market. Look, Ripple has not sold one XRP to any open market free exchanges like we have since 2019, and that's a fact. Going further, a significant number of XRP tokens are also sitting as reserves, tokens and wallets that cannot be spent. The current total account reserves came to 47,818,000, and total owner reserves is sitting at 13,608,000. The rapid rise in the number of accounts on the XRP Ledger points to an increased interest from crypto investors. In this case, as interest rises, so will demand for the token, which would in turn lead to a rise in the XRP price. Analysts have been incredibly bullish on XRP. In one instance, a Wells Fargo manager forecasted that the price of the altcoin could rise as high as $500, citing Ripple capturing the cross-border payment sector by 2027. Another interesting forecast put the XRP price at $10,000, once again citing Ripple's rising market share in the payment sector as a driver. A more conservative crypto analyst put the token's price at $130 after it formed a rare triangle pattern on this chart. Guys, that is, you'll see even a $130 XRP. Are you kidding me? That will literally change lives in a powerful, powerful way. Now, guys, just take a look at this article right here. Ripple traders anticipate higher prices as volume soars 90%. The trading volume of the fifth largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, XRP, has spiked by over 90% in the past 24 hours, whereas other indicators such as the asset's future long-short ratio have also headed north. Those are considered bullish factors, indicating that traders believe the coin's price could soon start rallying. The cryptocurrency market has shown signs of serious revival lately, with the prices of most assets spiking to weekly highs. Such is the case with Ripple's native token XRP, which surpassed the 50-cent level, reaching a 10-day peak. According to CoinGlass, its trading volume, the total number of units exchanged between buyers and sellers over a particular period, has also surged considerably, being up more than 90% in the past 24 hours. Specifically, traders exchanged approximately 1.7 billion XRP tokens during that time, equaling roughly $876 million. Guys, that is a phenomenal amount of money that is pouring into this XRP ecosystem. It is also worth observing that the numbers charted on Binance, the largest market at present for the coin, CoinGlass estimated that the XRP USDT long-short ratio has increased to 2.83 on the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange. The rise of the metric indicates that there are more long positions than shorter ones, which suggests a bullish sentiment among traders. Now, can XRP hit a new all-time high soon? Several analysts and experts have recently envisioned a bright future for XRP, predicting its price could skyrocket to a new all-time high in less than 5 years. Guys, a lot of them are saying 2024, 2025, even at the end of this 2023. One such person, Shannon Thorpe, who thinks that the coin might blast above $500 by 2027. And Shannon Thorpe is that Wells Fargo analysis guy and analyst. She's the one that's claimed that. Still, this forecast sounds preposterous to say the least, considering the fact XRP's market valuation should climb to 260 trillion for this to happen. Now, in comparison, the entire market cap of cryptocurrency industry was around 3 trillion during the last run. Well, guys, it may not hit $500 this next bull run, but I do believe somewhere in the future we could literally see a $500 XRP. Now, why do I believe that? Well, partially because, of course, what this ecosystem represents and how it's going to play out on the global stage. And that's what I see down the road. But the second thing is, guys, this: what is the value of a dollar going to be down the road, right? And that may have a big time impact on how much it's going to cost to literally change dollars into XRP. What is the value of those dollars right there? The ex-user, going by the name eGrag Crypto, gave a more modest prediction. According to Ripple's token, could tap 2.8 and 5.5 and maybe stretching to 6 to 7. Now, guys, we know that eGrag Crypto literally has come out and said, hey, we could potentially be seeing a $130 XRP before the end of this bull run. Not just these amounts, these are his initial targets. Guys, I think what we're seeing in this space is absolutely phenomenal, and you are going to watch things transition. And when they happen, boy, I'll tell you what, when we've been there, they went fast, 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 and you can literally blink and miss it. It can happen that fast. Look what happened when that lawsuit settled. Bang, literally 100% in one day. I'm telling you, I've been there to see it and watch these candles. Boom, boom, boom. Guys, you don't want to miss it. Get out there and research it for yourself. Don't listen to all the fuzzers. Hey, don't even listen to guys like me, because if I can talk you into it, hey, someone else can talk you out of it. I'm fully convinced. But look, guys, I can share with you my conviction, but I can't give it to you. That's why I'm encouraging you to go out there and study it for yourself. Research it for yourself. I think your eyes are going to be opened big time. Guys, the one thing that you do not want to put off is getting your plan in place. And what our coaching program offers, that is where you and I can meet personally, one-on-one for 1 hour over Zoom. And during that time, I share with you our personal journey in that last bull run and what enabled Judy and I to experience some amazing financial success. I share with you the mistakes we made so that you don't have to fall into the same pitfalls we did. We take a look at your portfolio and make sure that it's balanced towards your goals, and we work together to develop your exit strategy. We can even get your assets off an exchange and onto a hardware wallet, along with delivering to you some amazing techniques that are really going to help you in this space. Now, the cost of that is $250, and if that's something that interests you, you write me right there at coaching@thedigital.outlook.com, and we'll get you all booked in. So guys, this is the video I have for you today, and as always, I truly hope that you enjoyed it. Now, many of you know I'm not a financial advisor, and this isn't financial advice, but if you found value in it, if you'd hit that like and subscribe, I'd appreciate it. Hey, don't forget to put your comments right down there in the comment section and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our regularly released videos. So, in the meantime, and in between time, stay safe, be blessed, and I'll catch you in the next one.